Hello student, my name is Birbal Kumar, your maths teacher. We are doing a pair of linear equation in two variables, chapter 3, part 3. Please see the part 1 and part 2, then you come to part 3 so that you can understand the concept well. So there are there are three types there are three types there are three types of graphical representation. There are three types of graphical representations. Number one is intersecting lines. Number one is intersecting lines. Number one is intersecting line. So we'll take the equation and we'll see how this intersecting line can be put on a graph paper. So example, x minus 2y equal to 0. This is our first equation. 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now we can write this one. A1 x coefficient is 1. For B1 y coefficient is minus 2, and C1 the coefficient is, if nothing is given, we can take C1 coefficient is 0. Here A2 for second equation. A2 is 3, B2 is 4, and C2 is minus 20. Okay, so these equations, see here, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. We know A1 is our 1, A2 is our 3, B1 is our minus 2, and B2 is our 4. Okay, and C1 is our 0, and this is our minus 20. Okay, first of all we will see these two. Let's see this ratio is equal or not. This one is 1 by 3, and this 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here is minus 1 by 2. You see this ratio is not equal to each other. So what we will do, this ratio is not equal, so we can cross. Okay, we will cross this one. So we can say that now here the ratio of intersecting line is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, so we will put this equation on a graph paper. Okay, from equation 1. From equation 1, our equation was x minus 2y equal to 0. So we can take this one on the right hand side. It will be minus 2y will be, if it's go on the right side, it will be positive 2y. Okay, so whenever we take the value of y, we'll get the value of x. So here we'll make the table first. Okay, the table is x, this is y. Okay, so when we will take the value, when y equal to 0, when y equal to 0, so x equal to 2y, so in place of y, what do we have to take here? 0. So x value will also be 0. So if I take the value of y as 0, then we got the value of x as 0. Okay, again when we take the value of y as 2, we'll get the x value. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so we can put here, when we have taken the value of y as 2, we got the value of y as 4. So this is our table 1. Okay, this is our table 1. Then from equation we can take the 2 value only. We can take the 3 value also, but it is irrelevant. Okay, we can take the 2 value and we can put on a graph paper. Now from the equation 2. Okay, equation 2, our equation 2 was 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. 3x, so if I take these two value on the right hand side, it will be 20 will minus 20 will be positive 20, minus 4y, 20 minus 4y divided by 3. So we'll take the table, we'll make the table x y table 2. Okay, so when we take the value of y as 2, you can take any value. Okay, when we take the value of y as 2, then we'll get x is equal to, we have to put over here. Okay, 20 minus 4 into y value is 2 divided by 3. So here will be 20 minus 4 2 is 8 divided by 3. So what we will get here, 12 divided by 3. So if I get, will cancel, will get over here 3 4s. Okay, so if I take the value of y as 2, we'll get the value of x as 4. Okay, again I can put here when y value is when y value is 8, so we can put here x is equal to 20 minus 4 into 8 divided by 3. 8 4 8s are 32 divided by 3. So it will be, if I minus, I'll get minus 12 divided by 3. It will be minus 4. Okay, so the table will be 8, y is 8 and x value is -4. Okay, now we'll put this both the table on a graph paper. Okay, so this is our graph. So this is our table. I've already written over here table 1 x y and table 2 x y value is there. So we are going to put on a graph paper. Okay, and as we know, this is our graph. This is our first quadrant, this is our second quadrant, this is our third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. Okay, on the right hand, this is called the x axis, this is called x axis, this x dash. Right hand side the x value will be positive, on the left hand side the x value will be negative, and y value, this is the y axis, and this one y will upside it will be positive and downside y will be negative. So I have written over here. So our x value is, our table 1 value is, x value is 0 and y value is also 0, so the point will come over here. Okay, then again the second value is, x value is 4, x value is 4 and y value is 2, so we have to move over here, it will be over here, right? So we have to take this straight line, okay, don't miss. Okay, straight line, this is our straight line. Then again from table 2 x value is 4 and y value is 2, so x value we have to see from the first, x is positive, x and y is also positive, so it is over here, and also x value is, the second point is -4 and -8, the -4 it will be over here x, and the positive is y is 8 positive, so it will go upward, right? So it will be here points, so we can fix this point, this one over here. So where it intersect, it has intersect over here, right? The both line has intersect over here, so we can see what is the x value is this one, right? The x is 4 and this one is, from the y the is 2, so it has intersect over here. This is the first equation, this is the first equations, x minus 2y equal to 0, this is the equation, and this is the 3x plus 4y minus 20, this is that equation, and this both equation has intersect over here, so this will be called as the, this will be called intersecting line, and we can say this one exactly one solution, exactly one solution. Okay, we can say this exactly one solution. So from this this equation has intersect each other, so we can write over here, number 1, in intersecting line, number 1, first of all it intersecting lines, we get intersecting lines. Okay, number 2, it will have exactly one solution, exactly one solution. It means that somewhere the two straight line will intersect. Okay, but it is intersect in one, at a center, at the one point where it is intersect, you see it is intersect in here at one point there is 4 and 2. Okay, so we can write here 4 and 2. And number 3 we can write here consistence. Consistent, what do you mean consistence? It means somewhere, means that we will the two line will intersect. That is why we have written here, that I have written here consistence. Okay, thank you.